poetry package has enabled our children to really explore what British values mean and enable them to do that in a fun and dynamic way through poetry. It's really given them a showcase to be able to perform, to write, to act, to sing, to add instruments. It's a fantastic opportunity to launch poetry in your school, or just to have a lot of fun, or to explore the proper important messages of British values.
Really effective because it puts it in a different way for them. It's not just us thinking about it.
Too much time spent in jail.
Brilliant, the kids absolutely loved it. They were so passionate. I don't think I've ever seen my class that passionate about writing.
It was the confidence and the teamwork and working together. It was just lovely to watch.
And I think especially with your class, they all like doing it together and in time.
We all have individual liberty.
Tolerance is the key to success.
If I say left, then you say left. Diversity.
They've learnt a lot today. We talked a lot about tolerance and respect, and I think they really took it in far better than they would have got from just me on my own talking about it.
It blew my mind a little bit. I was impressed at how good it was and how talented these young people are. I realise that myself working with young people, but just sit and watch what they can achieve. So, and they were fantastic. So thoroughly enjoyed it.
I've really enjoyed this evening. It's been amazing to be part of the whole process from beginning to end, being in the school, seeing it in action, and the culmination in the work from the young people today. Incredible.